Hey everyone, Mobile Munch here, and today we're diving into the world of budget-friendly smartphones with the Motorola Moto G04s. This phone promises great value for your money, but does it deliver on that promise? Let's find out as we explore everything this phone has to offer, from its specs to its features. First glance. Simple yet stylish. The Moto G04s doesn't scream expensive with its design, but it does have a certain clean and functional aesthetic. It comes in 4 classic colors: Concord Black, Sea Green, Satin Blue, and Sunrise Orange, and feels surprisingly comfortable to hold in my hand. While it's plastic, it doesn't feel cheap, and it's lightweight, which is a big plus for those who are constantly on the go. Specs break down power on a budget. Let's get to the nitty-gritty. The Moto G04s is powered by the Unisoc T606 12mm processor, which is quite weak but good from a price point of view. It's not going to be a gaming powerhouse, but for browsing the web, social media, and streaming videos, it should handle things smoothly. You'll have 4 gigabytes and 8 gigabytes of RAM to keep things running smoothly. And storage options come in either 64 gigabytes or 128 gigabytes, so you can choose what best suits your needs. Camera, capturing everyday moments. The Moto G04s features a triple camera system on the back, consisting of a 50-megapixel single main sensor. While it might not have the most impressive specs on paper, the 50-megapixel main sensor should take decent photos in good lighting conditions. On the front, you'll find a 5-megapixel selfie camera for video calls and capturing those essential selfies. All-day battery and stock Android experience. One of the biggest strengths of the Moto G04s, according to me, is the battery life. Motorola has equipped this phone with a massive 5,000 mAh battery, which should easily last you a full day on a single charge, even with moderate usage. Another big plus is the software. The Moto G04s runs close to stock Android 14, which means you get a clean, bloatware-free experience. You'll also get faster updates directly from Google, which is a major perk for budget phones that often get neglected by manufacturers. Is it the right choice for you? All right, let's talk about who this phone is for. The Moto G04s is ideal for those looking for a reliable and affordable smartphone for everyday tasks. It's perfect for students, young professionals, or anyone who simply wants a phone for staying connected, browsing the web, and capturing casual photos. If you're a heavy gamer or someone who needs a camera for professional purposes, then you might want to look elsewhere. However, for the price point, the Moto G04s offers excellent value. So, that's it for our look at the Motorola Moto G04s. If you're on a budget and searching for a dependable phone, the Moto G04s is definitely worth considering. Let me know in the comments below what features are most important to you in a budget smartphone. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.